want us to look at Bitcoin and look at some top altcoins that can make you awesome gains 1000% before Bitcoin halving or after Bitcoin halving. My platform is designed to help people out there to understand market structure, to understand when to take out profit, to help them make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're new on my platform and you love all this good stuff, you like all this good stuff, what I just mentioned here about this platform, then you can go right now. Before this video begin, you can hit the subscribe button or even like this content and share it to someone out there who might get some value out of this. Guys, I've been talking about Bitcoin for like, I cannot count how many videos I've made about Bitcoin, and I've made my viewers to understand the value of Bitcoin in this industry. Why they should look at Bitcoin as the only catalyst that will help them. Well, let me not say only catalyst, because that's gonna be extreme to say Bitcoin should be the only catalyst, but Bitcoin is the main catalyst that drives the crypto market. Let me put it away to be fair with some other crypto lovers out there. But what I'm trying to say here is, if you understand the movement of Bitcoin, then you're gonna be making a lot of profits every now and then when you set your eyes on the market. So you're welcome here. Welcome. This is the Betong Crypto. I'm your guy, the Betong. And those of you who are returning subscribers, you're awesome. Yeah, because of you. Yeah, because of everyone and myself. Because I love doing what I do. So let me dive right away into this juicy part of what I got for you guys today. Now, this is crypto bubbles. No, before we go to Bitcoin chart, let's first of all examine the bubbles. Today, I'm going to be diving on banter bubbles. I have been talking a lot about banter bubbles lately, and I'm going to explain to you guys more every now and then why I keep talking about banter bubbles more these days. They have made the bubbles platform to be more sustainable, more. I think there's a lot of data that can help anyone out there to just go on the platform, research quickly. Like, it can take you no time to research on a project and make quick decisions to buy. Of course, you have to do more afterward, but if you just want to look at a coin pumping and get to know why it's pumping, or you already have that coin held and you want to know why it's pumping, then it's a really good tool for you to utilize. So, having said all this good stuff, let's dive into Bitcoin. Now, this is Bitcoin on the 2 hours time frame. Let me go first on the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on here with this bad boy, because guys, I love we do this. We do this in a way that we can understand and enjoy what the market is giving us. Now, this might not, my chart might be so confusing to you, but be keen or be focused to understand what I'm actually gonna be doing here in terms of making you understand what I'm looking at this point in time. Now, those of you who actually have been buying altcoins, this weekend, go and sell everything, and go back into Bitcoin or go back into USDT. Right. Now, where Bitcoin is, I mentioned in my previous video that Bitcoin should trade above $72,000, if possible above $73,000, before we can confirm that all coins out there are going to maybe make some moves or not, right? But so far as Bitcoin is in this range and Bitcoin keep moving sideways, you can see Bitcoin has been moving in this range, and there's like, price is going nowhere. Price is just in the middle consolidating. Nothing is actually happening. You can see after this dip here, Bitcoin went down, went up, went down, and now it's closing. It's closing. You're gonna come down a little bit. Let's say $65,000 or $66,000, then go up again. But we don't know yet where Bitcoin is going to break, to which direction Bitcoin is going to break. If, say, Bitcoin is going to break to the upside or to the downside, no one knows. But we can protect ourselves by limiting our exposure to most of the high risk altcoins out there, so that when Bitcoin moves, we're going to be in a safe zone. So, like, what I'm trying to do here every now and then when I pull pull the Bitcoin chart, is to help people understand what is doing what, which platform is gonna be, or sort of which coin is gonna be that coin that is gonna help you to buy the other coin. And in most of the cases, or in most cases, Bitcoin has been the main driver, like for other altcoins out there. Bitcoin has helped so many altcoins to move. Altcoins that was about to, like, it was as if they were about to die. Bitcoin has helped them to move, and we are seeing that as Bitcoin is consolidating, there are so many other altcoins that are not doing that much as well, or they are consolidating. And one of those coin that I want us to look at, or I want you guys to look at, which is going to be among the top coins, is Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't done that much yet after this pullback. If we look at the pullback, this is the daily time frame for daily time frame for Ethereum. Ethereum is just leaving the value area low right now and going towards the POC. But Bitcoin has already recovered, to an extent, and have went back to, let me not say recovered, but after this dip here, Bitcoin has done something, or has made some, quick move to the upside. But Ethereum fell, really bad, and Ethereum hasn't yet recovered that much. Why? Because of this vector candle. So you can see this, red vector candle here. Price hasn't yet recovered this vector candle fully, but price has recovered the vector candle of Ethereum, of Bitcoin fully. You can see price already recovered this vector candle. So the next move here, I'm thinking that price is gonna, at least to an extent, if say we have to draw something here for Ethereum, it wouldn't be actually something really cool. Ethereum has to also make a move up and try to attempt to break, above 4,000. Let me just say above $4,000, right, and trade, maybe let's say $4,100 or $4,020. But where price is right now, we can see that if, like, you look at from this dip here, price has been respecting this structure. Price has been going to make lower lows, right? And price is now going to attempt to move to the upside. That's why I mentioned in my group, in my VIP group today, that they should sell most of their high risk altcoins to buy Ethereum, because it's really necessary to look at which coin is doing what at this point in time, to be able to know what to buy. Now, the other coin that I want you guys to look at is Solana. Unlike Ethereum, Solana also is playing around this zone here. Like, Solana hasn't really recovered to where most people are looking to, like where they want Solana to be. But if we look at the price of Solana right now, where Solana is, I would say that if I plug in the volume profile, let me just plug in the volume profile here so we can see where Solana is, right? And let me just do this, so we can get a bigger picture. So you can see that Solana is moving around the value area high, and Solana is holding around this level yet, around this, on where the alpha trend is. Of course, there's no doubt, if you say I bring in a Trendillo here, that Solana might be trying to go like this Trendillo indicator might be resetting for Solana to make the next big move to the upside. And this big move is gonna be bound. I think it might bounce from the 50-day moving average. We can see Solana bounce from the 50-day moving average. But if that's not the case, price can go right down to even $98. So if something bad is happening with Bitcoin, Solana is that coin that you want to get in so big. And why? Because Solana is hot cake. And if Solana get to this value area low, where we are looking at right now at around $98, dollars, it's gonna be around the better moving average. You can see. And if you follow my channel, every now and then you understand that on the higher time frame, price always respect the better moving average, especially when the price is bullish. So the better moving average will not be that catalyst that is going to determine if, say, price is going to bounce from that zone. And also we can see multiple confirmation here from the value area low. Yeah. So if, say, we see a sudden dip for Solana, or Bitcoin is gonna do, like, see some sudden dip, let me say this week or week to days to come, then Solana should be that coin that you are looking at. It might not fall really drastically to the downside, but I think you're gonna get a good entry for Solana, and you want to have Solana because when you guys actually don't understand the bigger picture here. you go to buy meme coins on Solana blockchain, and you use Sol to buy those meme coins. There are so many of those meme coins that have been launched on Solana blockchain, and most of the meme coin have a huge market cap. And you are buying those meme coins, holding it like as if like you have a relationship with those meme coins, like they are your cousins, brothers, and sisters. you know, but you fail to understand that you are buying that meme coin for a short time, because meme coins are meme coins. You are buying it, and when you make 1x, 2x, or you make some profit from it, you are buying Solana to hold Solana, because you are like, the idea is for you to, not even if you don't have to buy Solana, you can choose a particular high cap coin that you want to be accumulating. Let's say Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? Or maybe Solana. Yeah, let me just stick with Solana or BNB, right? These coins have proven to be sustainable, or to be holding level when the market is really doing bad. So having Solana and buying these meme coins, and when they pump, you buy back Solana, you are protecting that money. Because when something bad is going to happen in the market, that meme coin will plunge like 1x downward, like downward. But Solana can plunge downward, like they say 10% or 20%. Then now you're going to have opportunity to buy back that meme coin, because those who miss out on those meme coins want to buy it thinking it's cheaper, and they're going to pump back the price, and you're going to make more Solana. This is easy. It's easy to understand. But it seems as if some people out there have decided to want to fall in love with particular meme coins, just buy it, hold it, without even thinking of like the risk factor, the risk reward in it. So these are all ways you have to protect yourself, so you don't fall prey to most of those altcoins out there. Another coin that I want you to look at right now is ApeCoin. ApeCoin is one of my big buys. After ApeCoin make this huge move to 2007, not 2,700, $2.70 or 70 cent, we have seen ApeCoin plunging downward, and now ApeCoin has bounced from the better moving average. Okay, I mentioned to you guys that whenever price move above the better moving average, at one point in time, price is going to come to retest it, and price should bounce from the better moving average and go and attempt to make higher highs on the higher time frame. So this is going to be in confirmation with where price is right now, like the trendillo. The trendillo is around this zone here. You can see it's at minus, which is of like with the RSI is being called the oversold area. So when price is at the oversold area, then we should expect some sort of movement. You can see when price was at the oversold area here for a long time, you can see how so many days, but after that we saw this huge pump to the upside, and price was at the overbought area, and after that we saw this huge move downward. So you have this indicator alone, or you can use this indicator alone to make huge profit in the market. Like I've made a video about this even, on how you can use only the trading, and this is free. This is a free tool. You can just go to your indicator section, on TradingView, then search for Trendillo. This first one, Trendillo open source, and you're gonna get it for free, right? It's simple as that. And whenever you see price on a higher time frame, around the oversold area, you are buying, and when you see it at the overbought area, you are selling. It's simple as that on the higher time frame. And also, you can do this. For example, you can have also this Betong moving average is also free of charge. Just go to TradingView, you search for the Betong. The Betong moving average. You're gonna see the Betong moving average. This one, click on it. This is the first one, and you're gonna have it here. And whenever you see price bounce or get to the Betong moving average, and you see also the trend needle have resetted, it means that there's time for price to move to the upside. And another more confirmation here is these vector candles. There are two of them here. And the alpha trend also printed this sell signal, meaning at one point in time, price should go and retest this sell signal and recover this, these vector candles. Guys, I've seen this play over and over again. That's why whenever I look at it, I'm able to just determine or look at where price can go and recover. You can see even here, you saw this movement down here, and price had to go and recover this particular vector candle here. Price did recover it, and after that price plunged the downside. So it's not rocket science. It's just the fact that I spend a lot of time and I follow people who have built systems that I am able to understand the system, that I combine it with my own system, then become an alpha in the space. So what I'm giving you guys here is alpha. Go and check on ApeCoin. It's gonna be a huge buy for you. The next on my list is QNT. QNT is like the buy. If you have to buy something, it's ApeCoin and QNT. Now, let me tell you something about this coin. This coin is one of the top in its category. And you can see this movement here. This movement is in confluence with what is going on here with the trend dealer. You can see what did I mention when the price is at the oversold and overbought area. Look at the movement here. So you can follow only this indicator and you make huge profit in the market. Guys, crypto or trading is going, let me just say, like making money in cryptocurrency, it's not that difficult, but it's difficult if say you follow the wrong people. But if you follow the right people, you are always going to be able to get the right knowledge so you can apply it on a daily basis on your investment. So that's the other one. And the next one I want you guys to look at right now, it's funny, but this is actually rats. I want you guys to look at rats. Rats is should I say a meme coin, but this coin move alongside Bitcoin. It's a little bit risky, but you can see rats. When I look at the trend dealer, it has printed this oversold area, this oversold area, and now we are seeing it making its way towards the overbought area. And now looking at what rat has done, this is a meme coin on BRC20, like a Bitcoin ecosystem. So I think that looking at what it has been moving, like how it has been moving, maybe we can see another huge spike to the upside. Because looking at this area, yeah, it's like rat has found a proper support zone here. Let me just say a proper. Let me just say around this range here. There's a support zone here where rat is going. Price goes there. Price bounce back. So you can see price has been bouncing from this zone here. So I think because price has come here and price is, I think to an extent also has formed a W here. You can see let me do this properly. Guys. Sorry. I think there's a W, here that price has formed, and this is gonna be one of those coins that you wanna like just get involved in because I think the upside is great. Look, you can see maybe this is a W here, maybe because if this plays out, then this is a W formation, so we can take price right up to this level here, this level here, yeah. So, and if that's the case, let's see how many percent that's gonna be from where price is right now. It's about 9%. So that is one of those coins that you can look at. And more to that, guys, whatever I do here, whatever I talk about on my platform is centered around Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is gonna be doing. So if I see Bitcoin break above this zone, then I'm gonna go into all those coins that I mentioned to you to buy more. I hold all of them anyways. Like, yeah, I hold all of them, but I'm gonna add more to them. When I see this breakout from Bitcoin, if I see it go to the upside, then I'm gonna buy when price pull back, and if it breaks to the downside, I'm gonna wait until Bitcoin get to around. I think if Bitcoin break here, we can see Bitcoin go right down to $52,000. And if that's the case, then I'm gonna have even more opportunity to buy those coins that I mentioned to you. And when price recovers, I'm gonna make a huge profit. I don't care if price is not go down or up, but what I do care is what I'm gonna be doing when price take either direction. If say price goes up, I'm gonna be buying. If price goes down, I'm gonna wait until price get to a zone where I see that price, is attempting to go and test the area where price started falling from, and if the price is not able to go and break that level and make higher highs, then I sell again and wait. So I keep on doing this, guys. And as the market goes down, I accumulate and still make money. I accumulate those coins and I still make money. Accumulate and make money. And when price just make huge move to the upside, I'm gonna make even more profit. So this is what I do is no secret. I share this every now and then on my platform. Those who are part of my platform, they always want to get this knowledge. If say you're not part of my platform, then you're gonna miss this knowledge. And I think I've come to the end of today's video. I want to believe this video was helpful to you somehow, to go out there, look at stuff that you want to buy. You must not buy the coins that I'm talking about here. You can choose your own coins. Then when you see Bitcoin make this move, then you can apply the same knowledge to those coins and get all these indicators that I mentioned. They are free of charge. It won't cost you anything. And if say you have any challenge, comment below and I want to do my possible best to respond to you accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my content. Until then, guys, see you tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye. Ciao.